skies of a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leora if you're new here. So today is just going to be a day in the life vlog, not necessarily dental related, but just kind of fun weekend vlog. So right now I'm about to head to Boston Common, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of take you along and show you what the city of Boston kind of looks like, just a little bit. So let's go.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time with you, but I'm coming home.
Now that I'm back from my walk, I just wanted to kind of go through my closet a little bit because I thought it was funny, just some differences from when I lived in Florida to now. So some things that I didn't have when I was living in Florida: scarves and hats. Not that I ever really wore them, but I should have, because I realized too late that hats actually help keep your ears nice and cozy, and my ears get really cold. Another thing I didn't really have in Florida was gloves, and for some reason a lot of people at Christmas were like, let's give Leora tons and tons of clothes. So I have so many right now, and that's another thing I didn't really wear. Maybe that's like where my hands got so dry, I don't know. But I also didn't have wool socks. These are clutch. I would wear these like every day. And then a winter coat, but you see me wear that so many times. So I'm gonna start packing up my closet, and then I'll move on to some other stuff I have underneath our bed. The things that I'm packing right now that are underneath my bed are summer things, so they're in airtight bags, or they're like random sweaters or cardigans, things that I don't use all the time, so I put them down here. So actually I should go through some of these things and decide what to get rid of.
These skies of a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think.
Right now I have about 2 bags that are going to be donated. Not sure yet because donation centers aren't open right now in Boston, so I can't drop those off anywhere. So we're just holding on to them until it's safe again. Someone's sad. Why are you a sad boy? Oh, and there's my bean boots. Another thing I didn't have before I moved to Boston. Okay, so that was my moving day task for today. So now I need to go and get on studying because I haven't done any yet, and it is 5:30. So I need to look at some lectures, and I have my exam on Friday as well. So the plan is to study in the morning, take my exam at noon. It usually takes me no more than an hour, and then after that get straight to moving since we only have that like full day to move everything. So gotta get going as soon as I'm done with my exam. And I do have a friend, possibly 2, coming to help out, so that will be good. There's a lot of stuff to break down, so I need some man muscle because I don't have it. So I'm just working on outlining a farm lecture right now, and then I need to watch 2 more lectures after this. So hopefully I can finish that all tonight. It's about 8:30. Usually when I'm outlining, I just listen to music and kind of jam out. You probably saw that. And yeah, I'm just studying the rest of the night, trying not to do too much right now to overwhelm myself. Farm is just a lot of brain power. It just takes a lot to focus on it, and then also a lot to understand it. And yeah, I really like learning about it. It's very interesting, but it's just a lot for me to kind of be like, oh wait, this and this do this, and like it's just a lot of connecting the dots because you learn so many different things, and then certain drugs interact with other drugs in a way that's bad, and sometimes I'm going on a tangent. Farm is complicated. So yeah, I'm just studying the rest tonight. I haven't really done much today. You kind of saw what a chill Sunday it was. So I'll leave the video at this. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, subscribe down below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Coming home.